Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Now today we're going to talk about the future. The present now is real. It's happening. The past is real. That happened. But the future? It hasn't happened yet. So it isn't real. You can't touch it. So we have to find different ways to talk about the future, the time after now. 3 ways is to use will, or going to, or the present continuous. But which one do you choose? Have a look at this. So we are here now, the time of speaking. We're cooking crispy duck for dinner tonight. We are cooking. My wife and I spoke about it before. We are cooking crispy duck tonight. We spoke about it earlier. Here, we're having crispy duck tonight. Here. So we are in the middle of this action. We're cooking crispy duck for dinner tonight. Present continuous. The action started earlier when we spoke, and it finishes tonight when we're eating crispy duck. My favourite. Now, another idea. My wife has been working very hard recently, so I want to surprise her. Right. It's just my idea. It's not arranged. This is an arrangement. But I'm going to cook crispy duck. It's just my idea. I thought about it before speaking. Going to. Before speaking, my idea, I didn't speak to anybody else. I'm going to cook crispy duck for dinner tonight. Also delicious. If I didn't think about it before, if I didn't speak to anyone before, I only decided now at the time of speaking, I'll cook crispy duck tonight. I'll cook crispy duck tonight. From the time of speaking forward, you use will. I'll cook crispy duck tonight. Also delicious, yum yum. Easy, huh? So, 3 different ways to talk about the future. Present continuous, going to, and will. Whichever one you choose creates a different picture in the listener's mind. So choose carefully. Have a look at this. Okay, this will help you too. Thinking about cooking dinner tonight, have a look at this. Ask yourself, did I think about it before speaking? Cooking dinner. Did I think about cooking dinner before speaking? Answer, yes or no. If the answer is yes, then ask a second question. Did I speak to anyone? Well, yes, I spoke to my wife. It's arranged. So, I am cooking dinner tonight. I'm cooking dinner tonight. If the answer is no, I didn't speak to my wife. It's just an idea in my head because my wife has been working very hard lately, so I thought I would surprise her and I would cook dinner tonight. Did I speak to anyone? No. Use going to. I'm going to cook dinner tonight. I'm going to cook dinner tonight. Okay so far? Good. Then, back to here. Did I think about it before speaking? The answer is no. I thought about it at the time of speaking. I didn't think about it. I didn't talk to anybody. Use will. I'll cook dinner tonight. I will. I'll cook dinner tonight. You might want to write that down. You can thank me later. So there we are, different ways to talk about the future. English grammar, present continuous, going to, and will. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy Peasy English. Ta-ta.